Okay, guys. So this our book that's because we have stairs and inside of my garage.
How'd you guess?
Inside my
Working alone. Take one of these. Took a closer look at the Kaplan's itemized credit card bills.
Atlantic City, everything's in Atlantic City.
Mrs. Kaplan is a compulsive gambler.
That must be.
Mrs. Kaplan.
Look at that.
Disadvantage.
I'd say that's the kind of bench you'd end up with if you open glass calendar.
No wonder she didn't go visit her in the hospital.
We better double check the blood sample, see if we can't put her at the crime scene too.
guys, peace.